Hello, this is Eric with Energy Pro Windows and Siding, and today we're going to be talking about the importance of your warranty from the window that you purchase. When you're looking for a window and you're looking at all the things you want in a window, the glass, the qualities, everything we've talked about, you also want to consider the warranty and what is covered. A lot of manufacturers, well, a few things. There's going to be a warranty over your frame. Okay, all of your moving pieces, your locks, your tilt pins, your sashes, the sliding, there's going to be a warranty on your glass, the energy efficiency of your glass, and also your screens. And when I say screens, I don't mean the fabric of your screen, but actually the screen frame. And if we compare this particular window, the V-Class, to other manufacturers, you can see that they divide the warranty into three different sections. They have the window frames, hardware and moving parts. They have the actual insulated glass packs, and then the actual screens. Competitors, a lot of generic competitors will go with a 10-year warranty on the frames, the sashes, the moving parts, and your locks. A lot of the different manufacturers will put a 20-year guarantee on the IG unit, this glass pack, and they'll put a 10-year warranty on the screen. This particular window comes with a lifetime warranty on everything. And the importance of that, in another video that we talked about being able to tell when your windows need to be replaced, and one of those is that your windows are cloudy or they have condensation in between the panes of glass. That's your argon fill. This particular window comes with a lifetime warranty on that IG unit, meaning in 10 years or 20 years, if you start seeing that condensation or that cloudiness, that will be replaced for lifetime, absolutely free. So remember, when you're shopping for your windows, you always want to consider the warranty and know exactly what's included in that warranty.